Hello boys and girls, Miss Holloway here. You should be on Reteaching 16-3, Reading Pictographs and Bar Graphs. I hope you watched the YouTube video. That was before this video. If you have not, please go back and watch that first. That will give you a better idea of what a pictograph and a bar graph are. I really like pictographs and bar graphs. I think they can be really fun. Let's go ahead and move on to pictographs. Pictographs use pictures or parts of pictures to represent data. So this is a pictograph of gold medals won at 1998 Winter Olympics. We have Japan, Italy, Canada, and Korea. Each medal equals 1 gold medal. This is where pictographs can be a little tricky because you really have to look at that key, because sometimes that picture in the pictograph does not equal just 1, it might equal 2, or it might equal 5. And then sometimes when it equals 2, you might even just see half of the picture, and the half of the picture would just mean 1. So we really got to pay attention to that key. It says to look at the key to see what each symbol represents. Count the symbols next to a country to see how many medals were won. Which country has the fewest symbols? Italy. How many gold medals did Italy win? 2 gold medals. Let's look at the bar graph. Bar graphs use bars set along a scale to represent data. So this is the same or close to the same type of information. These are silver medals won at 2000 Summer Olympics. So at the bottom, we have our countries: United States, Russia, China, Australia, and Germany. And then up the side is our scale, and that's numbered from 0 to 30, counting by 2s. And that's the number of silver medals won. So it says choose a country and use the scale to find how high the bar reaches. That number represents how many medals were won. Which country had the tallest bar? This is the tallest, that would be Russia, and it had 28 silver medals. So we could go through here and look at all of them. United States had 24, China had 16, Australia. Okay, now look at this. It does not hit a line, it's in the middle. So now we need to go over here to the scale. What number would come in between 24 and 26? 25. So they had 25. Germany, same thing, hit the middle. So go all the way over. What number would come in between 16 and 18? 17. They had 17 silver medals. All right, let's go down to number 1 and 2. We're going to use the pictograph to answer 1 and 2. Let's look at this before we even answer. This pictograph is showing the number of houses built in 2002. So we have City A, City B, City C, City D. That's just basically labeling each city. This could be Madisonville, Hanson, Slaughters, Earlington, something like that. All right, let's look at our key because this is very important. Each house or picture of the house equals 10 houses. Each half of the house equals 5 houses because 5 is half of 10. Okay, how many houses were built in City B in 2002? So we'll go to City B. We're going to count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40. Number 2, how many houses were built in City A? 10, 20, 30, 40, plus 5 would be 45. Okay, now turn the page and you're going to do the practice side on your own. Good luck.